You have in California, the Stanfords and the Caltechs and the UCLAs and the USCs. They produce so much innovation that the state has the ability to sort of change with the changing economy. And it sort of means that you're never out of new ideas. David bought me a Roku box for my birthday. It's a total miracle to me that you literally can almost get every movie ever made anytime you want. The challenges that businesses face are the same today as they've been forever, just accelerated. They need people that can sit down with them and are willing to spend the time to understand not just their technology, which any intellectual property attorney will do, but also their business. They really need quickly to protect themselves, and I think that that's sort of the most exciting thing that you get tossed.